Welcome friends. Now we will discuss the new portion of the halogen family, that is one of the important compound of the chlorine, that is hydrochloric acid, which is known as HCl. It is also known as muriatic acid, whereas oxymuriatic acid is chlorine. It is muriatic acid, from its oxidation chlorine is obtained, hence it is said to be without oxy, that is muriatic acid. Preparation: hydrogen and the chlorine combination directly leads to the formation of hydrogen chloride. Generally, it is possible in presence of what? Sunlight. Whereas metal chlorides are reaction with sulfuric acid also. Sodium chloride reaction with sulfuric acid. This is a double displacement reaction. Non-redox reaction leads to the formation of metal sulfide followed by HCl. Zinc chloride also on reaction with sulfuric acid leads to the formation of zinc sulfide followed by what? HCl. Whereas sometimes we may need the dry HCl gas. For that purpose, whatever the HCl is prepared, it has to be dried. Generally, the drying agents used are calcium oxide as well as the phosphorus pentoxide. But these are not fit for the HCl for drying because these are having basic in nature. HCl is having acidic in nature. It readily combines with these basic nature containing compounds and leads to the formation of either phosphorus chlorides, otherwise the calcium chlorides formation takes place. Hence, another acidic nature containing dehydrating agent is used, and that dehydrating agent is generally sulfuric acid because it is a good dehydrating agent due to hydrogen bonds present in between them. It takes the moisture, it imbibes the moisture in it. As a result, the HCl gas will become dry, thus we can obtain the dry HCl gas. Hydrochloric acid industrial preparations. Industrially, it is prepared by the electrolysis of sodium chloride, whereas sodium hydroxide, caustic soda preparation is having byproducts. At oxidation, anode portion and the reduction at the cathode portion. Cathode reduction takes place. Reduction is taking of electrons. Thus, aqueous is consisting of H plus ions. That H plus takes the electrons and it is converted to hydrogen gas. Similarly, at anode, reduction takes place, that Cl minus participates in oxidation, and that leads to the formation of chlorine gas. These two gases are burnt. As a result, here HCl formation takes place. Thus, in the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride and in the preparation of caustic soda, the byproducts obtained at anode and the cathode, that is chlorine gas and the hydrogen gas, on burning leads to the formation of HCl. And second one is, by dissolving the chlorine gas inside the water leads to the formation of, that is HCl followed by HOCl formation takes place. This hypochlorous acid is unstable. In presence of H nu, it is converted to HCl. Whereas HCl already formed over here, thus also HCl can be prepared. That is, by dissolving chlorine inside the water, the reaction takes place, hydrolysis occurs. As a result, unstable is once again undergoes decomposition. The formed hypochlorous acid is converted to HCl, whereas HCl is formed over here. Thus, HCl can be prepared industrially. In the preparation of caustic soda, the formed byproduct gases on burning is one case, and by dissolving chlorine gas inside water is another case. Physical properties related to the hydrochloric acid. HCl, in the gaseous state, it is covalent in nature exactly, and it is not having any kind of acidic property. It doesn't undergo any kind of dissociation. It is present in the form of its discrete molecule. Whereas in solution state, that is aqueous HCl, is present in the ionic form to certain extent with an equilibrium. That is, it is existing in the form of H plus ion followed by Cl minus ion. Thus, it is acting as source of H plus, hence it behaves as acid. Whereas it changes as being acid, indicator color changes. It changes the litmus from blue color to red in color, and methyl changes from yellow color to pink in color, whereas phenolphthalein alcoholic solution changes from pink color to colorless solution. The chemical properties related to the hydrogen chloride, it can react with metals because it is acid, and also it can react with metal oxides because it is acid, metal carbonates, metal bicarbonates, even with the nitrates, and acting as good reducing agent because it can undergo oxidation. Similarly, it can also forms aqua gel. Let us go step by step the reactions with the metals, metal oxides, metal carbonates, metal bicarbonates, nitrates, and the reducing property followed by aqua regia formations. Reaction with metals. Metals on reaction with HCl leads to the formation of metal halide, that is metal chloride followed by hydrogen. Magnesium on reaction with HCl leads to magnesium chloride followed by hydrogen. Zinc on reaction with HCl leads to zinc chloride followed by hydrogen. Similarly, ferrous on reaction with HCl leads to the formation of ferrous chloride followed by what? Hydrogen. The next one is reaction with metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature. As being these are basic in nature, they readily combines with the acidic property containing HCl. As a result, it is converted to water molecules followed by salt, that is calcium oxide, calcium chloride, magnesium oxide, magnesium chloride, copper oxide, copper chloride formation takes place. Here, in these reactions, there is no oxidation, there is no reduction, hence it is a non-redox reaction. Reaction with metal hydroxides. Metal hydroxides are basic in nature. Sodium hydroxide base, calcium hydroxide base, ammonium hydroxide is a base. These on reaction with acid like HCl, neutralization reaction occurs, water formation takes place followed by salt. Here the salt is sodium chloride, calcium chloride and the ammonium chloride. This is also a redox. Is it redox? No. This is a non-redox reaction and is a double displacement reaction. Even HCl as being acid, it readily combines with the sulfides, SO3 2-, thiosulfates, S2O3 2-, nitrites, NO2-, carbonates, CO3 2-, bicarbonates, HCO3-. All these reactions are going to be taking place with HCl because it is acidic in nature. As a result of these of all reactions, the formed products are in this reaction carbon dioxide formation, carbon dioxide plus water formation, here H2S formation, here also sulfur dioxide formation, and here HNO2 nitrous acid formation. Such kind of products formation takes place. Let us go for the examples of each particular category with HCl. Yes, reactions with carbonates, sodium carbonate, zinc carbonate, copper carbonate, and reaction with HCl. These are having metal carbonates implies basic in nature. On reaction with acid, neutralization takes place. That is, once again neutralization, non-redox reaction. In this, what happens is this metal combines with the chloride and forms metal halides. Here sodium chloride, zinc chloride, copper chloride formation takes place. Similarly, that carbonate combines with the hydrogen and forms the carbonic acid, which is unstable and is converted as carbon dioxide followed by water. It is maintaining +4 oxidation state. There is no change in oxidation number. Hence, it is non-redox reaction. This reaction is non-redox reaction. Similarly, reaction with bicarbonates, sodium bicarbonate followed by HCl. Thus, it leads to the formation of sodium chloride, water followed by carbon dioxide. There is also no change in oxidation numbers. Everything remains same. It is also example for non-redox reaction. Next, reaction with sulfide, sodium sulfide and reaction with HCl. It leads to the formation of sodium chloride followed by hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S formation takes place. This is H2S is gas. Here also there won't be any kind of change in oxidation number, since it is non-redox. Next, reaction with sulfide. Sulfide is SO3 2-, sodium sulfide, that is SO3 sodium sulfide. This is not sulfide. Sodium sulfide. Sodium sulfide on reaction with HCl. Here sulfur is maintained in +4 oxidation state. The same oxidation state is maintained, that is sodium chloride followed by sulfur dioxide formation takes place. It is also non-redox. Next, reaction with sodium thiosulfate is a special case. Sodium thiosulfate is having average oxidation number of sulfur as +2. Such kind of sodium thiosulfate and reaction with HCl, it leads to the formation of salt, sodium chloride, followed by sulfur dioxide with +4 oxidation state, sulfur with 0 oxidation state. That is, sulfur of +2 underwent oxidation here and undergoes reduction here. Thus, it is a disproportionation reaction. Redox of what? Disproportionation reaction. Similarly, on reaction with nitrites leads to the formation of sodium chloride followed by here HNO2. Thus HNO2, it is underwent oxidation and the reduction, thus it is present in the form of NO plus followed by what? NO2. NO2 plus, that is NO is nitric oxide, nitrogen is present in +2 oxidation state. Nitrogen dioxide, in this it is present in the form of what? +4 oxidation state. Thus here it is undergoing oxidation here and reduction here. These two are examples for the disproportionation, redox type of disproportionation category. Thus in the reaction of nitrites, it leads to the formation of HNO2. That HNO2 is anhydride of nitrogen trioxide, which is present in the form of NO and NO2, which is 1:1 equal ratio of NO and NO2. Combination leads to N2O3, which in reaction with water leads to the formation of HNO2. That is the simple concept. Similarly, it can also react with some of the nitrates. Silver nitrate on reaction with HCl, it is converted to a precipitate of silver chloride followed by HNO3. Similarly, lead nitrate also on reaction with HCl leads to the formation of lead chloride followed by what? HNO3. Whereas in the above all the reactions like reactions with carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfides, thiosulfates, as well as the nitrites, the gaseous compounds are obtained like carbon dioxide gas, H2S gas, sulfur dioxide gas. Similarly here NO and NO2 combinations of gases are obtained. The gases product formation increases entropy of the reaction. As entropy of the reaction increases, delta G becomes more negative, and that is acting as driving force for the forward reaction of the progress of the reaction in the forward direction. Reducing properties. HCl is strong, HCl is stable, HCl is generally not interested to participate any kind of reduction. But in the presence of strongest oxidizing agents like MnO2, PbO2, Pb3O4, KMnO4 and potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7 like substances, HCl undergoes reduction and HCl undergoes oxidation. As a result, it is converted to chlorine gas, and these are all strong oxidizing agents are undergoing reduction. Thus, in the presence of strong oxidizing agents, it is acting as reducing agent. So, in the presence of strong oxidizing agent like MnO2, which will undergoes reduction, here HCl undergoes oxidation and leads to the formation of chlorine gas. Thus, MnO2 is converted to MnCl2, that is +4 state is converted to +2 state, it is a reduction. PbO4 +4 is converted to Pb +2 reduction. This is 8/3 more than 2 and it is converted to +2 state reduction. KMnO4 of +7 state is converted to +2 state, it is also reduction. And potassium dichromate, which is of +6 state, is converted to chromium chloride +3 state. Thus, all these reactions are redox reactions. And in these redox reactions, HCl is undergoing oxidation. Thus, in the presence of strong oxidizing agents, it is undergoing oxidation and is acting as reducing agent. HCl is also used in the preparation of royal water, that is aqua regia, which is readily dissolves the noble metals like Rm as well as the platinum. In this formation of royal water aqua regia, 1:3 ratio of HNO3 and HCl are taken, whereas the suffix is 3 and the suffix is 1, then one suffix is taken 3 times, 3 suffix is taken 1 times. As a result of its reaction, it leads to the formation of nitrosyl chloride followed by nascent chlorine, that is atomic chlorine is generated, that is having more reactivity, that readily combines with the Rm and the platinum and forms AuCl3 and PtCl4. These once again in reaction with HCl forms the chloroplatinic acid, chloroaramic acid, that is chloroaric acid HeAuCl4, because here Rm is maintaining +3 oxidation state, hence it is chloroaric acid which is soluble. Similarly here platinum on reaction with chlorine, platinum tetrachloride, which on reaction with HCl forms chloroplatinic acid. Here platinum is maintaining +4 oxidation state, it is also soluble inside the solution, that is platinum is present in the dissolved situation, gold Rm is also present in the dissolved situation, hence this particular water, this particular royal water, which is combination of 3 units of HCl and the 1 unit of HNO3 said to be the royal water, otherwise aqua regia. Uses of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in the preparation of dyes, drugs, as well as photographic chemicals, and also in the generation of glucose from the starch, that is hydrolysis. For that acid is required. Generally that acid used is HCl, and HCl and the sulfuric acid combination is used to clean the surfaces of the metals before soldering, welding, painting, etc., and that process is said to be the pickling, and production of the other varieties of the chlorides, chlorine, aqua regia, and the chlorine related compounds are prepared from the HCl. It is one of the best laboratory reagent, and also it is produced in the digestive system where the food is going to be digested. Some of the important compounds of the halogen family: calcium oxychloride, known as bleaching powder, used for the bleaching purpose, whereas fluorochlorobromocarbons are said to be the halogens. These are nothing but the ceasefires which are used for the lightning and the firing conditions and the firing movements, whereas these are similar to that of the chlorofluorocarbons, which will destroy the ozone layer. And sodium hypochlorite is jewel water used for the bleaching action of the jewelry, and here fluoro, that is FSO3H followed by antimony pentafluoride, is said to be the magic acid because it is having highest acidic character, and the potassium chlorate is said to be the Berthollet's salts. Thus these are some of the important non-discussed, otherwise less discussed, followed by important compounds of the halogen related family. Those are once again to your notice: bleaching powder, fluorochlorobromocarbons, sodium hypochlorite, otherwise sodium oxychloride, and followed by FSO3H followed by antimony pentafluoride, that is magic acid, and the Berthollet salt, that is potassium chlorate, KClO3.